Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Sorry, this is a little bit of a weird angle. Okay, that's better. Here, let me... Sorry, I'm playing around with a new camera and monitor and everything like that, so sorry, this is a little funky. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to go in with another recreating Pinterest makeup looks video. I'm very excited about this. I'm super excited about the look that I chose, and I hope you all are too. So without further ado, we're just going to get into it. So let me quickly show you the look that I chose. It's from the Pinterest page Musely, M-U-S-E-L-Y, and it's this beautiful like flame. Here, let me kind of pull it back here. It's this beautiful like flame look going on here. So it's an ombre from like a yellow to an orange, a little bit red, and then black. It's so gorgeous, and I'm very excited to do this. So let's go ahead and dive in. I've already primed my eyes, and I think we're just gonna go from in to out. Sorry for the yellow lighting. You guys know how, y'all know how it goes, I guess. So I'm going to go in, and I think I'm going to start with the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, and we're going to go in with this color here, No Joke. And I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with a ColourPop. This is their E18. Just wipe off any color that I have on it on my color switch. I'm just going to go right in to the inner corner. So how is everybody? I hope you all are doing really wonderful. I'm feeling very motivated to film right now, which doesn't happen super often. So I'm planning on like doing a bunch of bulk filming today, which will be really fun. I'm going to film a declutter. I'm going to at least plan another video that if I don't actually film today, I will be filming tomorrow for sure. But I have to bulk film because of course I'm going on vacation in about a month or so, which is so exciting. I'm very excited. I definitely need that. But I want to bulk film so that I have videos that are uploaded and ready for while I'm on vacation, because I will not be actually like uploading. I will still be on my social media page and stuff, but not gonna be like, oh, YouTube, yay. So want to get those ready, and I don't know, I'm just feeling very productive with YouTube right now. If you guys didn't catch it earlier, super quickly, I'm going to go in with the So Jaded palette, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of citrine right over here and just darken it up a little bit. But if you guys didn't hear earlier, I did buy a new camera. That is what I'm using right now to film, and I'm very, very excited about it. So hopefully it works out okay. This is my first time filming with it, so I'm hoping that it will work nicely and work with my computer and will make my video quality look a lot better. So let me know what you guys think of, not necessarily this angle. This is more just I want you guys to see what I'm doing with my makeup angle. Not all of my videos are going to be like this for sure, but just let me know what you guys think. I know my lighting situation still is not ideal. It probably never will be while I have a red room. And I know I'm a little short for this frame right now, but I really don't want to adjust this any more than I need to. I should just get a pillow to sit on for this chair, because this chair sits very low down. Okay, so I have the base all nice and applied, and I know it's totally messy, like right under here and everything. That's okay. I'm going to clean it up a little later. But now, actually I should probably keep that out, shouldn't I? Now I'm going to go in with an orange, and so I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to go in with a combination of Feelin' Myself, which is right here, and My Man, which is right here, and I'm going to blend that into the yellow. I'm going to do that using, I think this ColourPop brush. This is an E3. I'm just going to blend those two together in kind of like a round shape. This is a very like rounded wing. It's very interesting. I like it. I haven't done anything like it before, so So what do I do? Definitely not anything round. Sorry, my mirror is over here, so if you see me, I'm looking over here for my mirror, I'm looking over here for my monitor, so I'm sorry if I'm like just trying to figure this whole thing out. Alright, I think that's probably enough orange. It's getting very lost in the red background, I'm very sorry. There we go, this one came out a lot more round. I don't know how much you guys can see it, but so it's about a little over a month before I go back to school, supposedly. And I don't know, I'm feeling definitely a little nervous about it just because I'm still very weary about, you know, Corona and everything like that. It's definitely, I'm still taking it very seriously. I mean, don't get me wrong, I am going out, I'm seeing people, but we're being safe and distant and everything like that. So like the other day, I met my friend in an open park, and we just took a walk on opposite sides of the sidewalk, and then we sat in our own trunks and talked to each other from across the way, which was definitely interesting for sure. We kind of had to almost scream at each other a little bit, but it's fine. So I'm definitely still being cautious about it, but so it's making me nervous to go back. Because I don't know. Definitely nervous about it. Alright, now I'm going to go in, I'm going to color switch this same brush. And I'm going to go in with a little more of a red now. So I'm going to go with a combination of Living My Best from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And probably Garnet from the So Jaded. Oh goodness, I'm dropping things. And that's gonna go right on the edge of that orange. Again, I'm trying to get that round shape, but that's not a shape I'm used to doing. So that's, you know, fun. I also don't know why I started on my lid instead of doing the crease, but you know, it's okay. It's fine. This is really pretty though. Very like fiery and flamey and stuff. So if you guys don't know, I reached 350 followers on Instagram, which is amazing. I'm so excited about that, and you know, I keep getting new followers every day, and it's amazing. Same with Twitter, I keep getting a lot of new Twitter followers. That's really awesome. And I am going to go back and color switch again, put in more orange, color switch again, put in the red, sorry. So yeah, that's really amazing. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for supporting my social medias and following me here on Twitter, of course. And I'm back into the red. This poor brush is going to be so beat up. I think it looks really, really cool though. Like this look right now. Okay, and then I think I'm going to go in with, if I can get it out of the holder, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop E21. This is a slightly dense, almost like pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with that black on the outer corner and kind of create, hopefully, that little wing, like rounded wing shape on my eyelid, and then as the color kind of fades off, I'm going to start blending it into the crease, because it kind of looks like that's what's mostly blended into the crease. So I'm going to take a combination, I'm just going to start with Temptress from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is just a matte black, and hopefully that will kind of get me what I need. That's really pretty. So I'm just trying to kind of establish that shape first. And now I'm going to start blending. Back. Sorry, my camera shut off. As an automatic stop time for movies, so that's fun. So now I'm just blending inward slowly and gently with that black, because it goes all the way in, but I don't necessarily want it to go, I want it to go like high into my crease, but not too high, because I still want to have room for a brow bone highlight, you know? So I'm trying to be really careful with it. Also trying not to lose the red too much. It's a little more subtle in the picture for sure, but I don't want to lose it too much because I think it's a really pretty color. So I'm just starting to gently go in with that black. And I'm using a really, really light hand to do this. I feel like her shape is a little more, like her eye shape in general is a little more elongated than mine. Mine's a little more rounded. I might extend this round wing out a little bit more. There we go. I think that looks pretty freaking cool. I don't know about you. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. It's going to take a little bit of time and work, so I don't think you want to watch me do that for quite a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side, and then I will catch up with you guys. Okay, I am back. I have blended and added the black into this eye over here super quickly. I'm just going to take, where is it? I had it a second ago. I'm going to take this kind of fluffier brush, and I'm just going to kind of feather out and blend out that top of the black, top and around. Just to, you know, make sure everything looks blended and seamless and rounded and not messy. We don't want messy makeup here, not at all. Although sometimes I definitely think that's what I'm doing anyway. Yeah, just blending, blending, blending. Especially around this outer wing here. I think it's so important that that's blended. I think it just kind of ties the whole look together when the edge is blended. Kind of lost the black a little bit here on this side, up towards the top. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush like this, and there is actually a little bit of red in the crease right around here, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that in there and just kind of help blend out the black and add a little bit of color to the crease. Not a whole lot, it's just going to be a very, very subtle bit of crease work. At least that's what I'm going for. And so again, that'll kind of involve going back with a little bit of blending together the black and the red. So I'm planning on decluttering some of my makeup today. I haven't really done a declutter like ever. I've kind of thrown out like things here and there or used up things here and there, but overall I really haven't done a full like declutter before, and I kind of really need it, and I'm kind of hype about it, not even gonna lie. I'm gonna take that same black brush, I'm not putting any more product on, I'm just gonna kind of blend the two of them together really quick. But yeah, so I'm filming that today, and that'll be really exciting. I already know some products for sure that I will be decluttering. Others, I mean, like, I haven't looked in like that makeup train, the photo case, train case in a little while, so I'm sure there's going to be some stuff in there that's either expired or just old and not used, so it'll be nice kind of clearing out, and I don't want to say starting fresh because I'm not getting rid of all my makeup, but I definitely think that's just something that I've been needing to do for a while and have been avoiding, and I cannot avoid it any longer. Oh goodness. Okay. So, at least in the photo, it looks like these are shimmer shadows that she has on her lid. I don't think I have any like shimmers, like shimmer yellows or shimmer oranges that would really like go with this look. So I'm actually, my interpretation of it is going to be all black, or excuse me, all matte. And so I'm going to quickly kind of clean up around here, and I'm going to put on some liner and possibly some lashes. I haven't decided yet. But we will come back to do the under eyes, which there's not really a good photo of the under eyes, So I'm just going to kind of wing that one and then finish up with the face and we will be back. Okay, so I have done some winged liner. I did not do mascara yet. I'm just going to do that all at one time after I do the lower lash line. So we're going to get into the lower lash line. So I'm going to do very similar to what I did on the upper eye, where I'm going to kind of go yellow and then orange and a little bit of red and then some black. So let's just go right into it. I'm going to throw it right here. I did also put a highlight on my brow bone and inner corner, but it's a pretty subtle highlight in my opinion, which is probably a good thing. This look is bold enough on its own. It also does not go with my outfit today at all. I'm literally wearing a green shirt, but it's okay. Who needs makeup that matches their shirt? I do. Me, I do. So am I going to do it? No, of course not. So I'm going to go in with that orange now. And I'm using a Blinked Brushes E6 to do this, by the way. If you have not checked out Blinked Brushes, you totally should. I freaking love my Blinked Brushes. I'm obsessed. It's so weird. Like, I can see the yellow on camera, but I can't see it in my mirror. So it's like I can't tell if I'm covering up the yellow or not when I'm putting this orange. I'm going to go in with the red. And again, I'm going to go a little, like, quote-unquote subtle. Nothing about this look is subtle, but subtle. Subtle with the red, because we're going to add black on the end. Yep, there it is. She is there. Okay, so now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and blend out those colors, more or less blend them together. Just a little bit. Fluffy fluff, blendy blend. Okay, so this is the finished eyeshadow. I'm going to put on mascara and a full face of makeup, and I will catch back up with you to compare my photo / my look to the look in the photo and just kind of end off the video, so I will be right back. Okay everybody, this is the finished look. I am very, very proud of it. Let me pull up the photo and kind of compare side by side. I don't know, I think I did pretty okay. So I'm very excited about this. I think this looks totally cool, and it's very different from anything that I ever do, because I just tend to go like basic smoky eye, maybe a cut crease. I feel like this includes a lot more colors. It's a lot more fiery than anything that I ever do, so I'm very, very excited about it. And I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social medias. They are always linked down in the description bar. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really happy to be bringing back this series again, because this definitely gets me out of my comfort zone. So I hope you like it as much as I do, and I cannot wait to see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye everybody.